up, Kitsu Kicks? Today I'll be doing a restoration video on these 2011 pair of Concord 11s. As you can see, the upper mesh is yellowed. The sole is like all yellowed around the pod areas. The patent leather is all creased up. The lace is a bit dirty as well. I mean, it stinks. So yeah, let's get into the video. And here are the materials that you will need for this restoration. You will need Jason Mark Essential Kit, Angelus Soul Bright, Angelus Flat White, GAC 900 Fabric Painting Medium, and a paintbrush. What you want to do is get a plastic container, fill it up with water in your sink. Now get your brush that came with your Essentials Kit for Jason Mark. Get the shoe cleaner and just spray it on the bristles of the brush, wet it. Get your shoe and untie your shoelaces. So we're gonna do that. All the shoelaces are gone. Now get your brush and your shoe cleaner and start scrubbing. What you want to see is foaming, means fucking working. Now once it's all foamed up, what you want to do is get a dry tea towel and just wipe it off, wipe all the foam off. As you can see, the sole is a bit clearer, but you can still see some visible yellowing around the pod area. And the upper mesh has been whitened a little bit, but as you can see, it's still off-white color. It's not really a white that we want. So up to the next step. Now to whiten the mesh, we're gonna paint it, and we're using GAC 900 and flat white Angelus acrylic leather paint. We're gonna mix the two to a 1-to-1 ratio and paint it. You want to make a 1-to-1 ratio between the flat white Angelus paint and the GAC 900. So get a mixing jar, and I marked it so that I can see where I would want it to go up to. Now just get your Angelus flat white. There should be good. 900 and make a 1-to-1 ratio with the flat white paint. There should be good. Now what you want to do is shake the mixing jar. And I'm just going to mark this. So this is flat white with So now what you want to do is get the flat white plus GAC mixture and paintbrush. Essentially we need to paint the upper mesh, and once you do that, get a so then you can, dry it. And yeah, let's go with the time lapse. Now here's a quick comparison of the whitened side and the yellowed side. You can see a massive difference. Now let's continue with the restoration. As you can see, there are creases all over the pattern leather around here. Now I'll teach you how to get rid of the creases. What you need is an iron and a damp rag. So what you do, get your damp rag, put it over where you have creases on it, and just iron it. Simple as that.
Hard track.
See, creases are starting to disappear. There's still a crease right here, and just a little bit more ironing, it'll be gone. Now we'll be clearing the sole. Around the pod area there's a lot of yellowing. That only happens because of the oxidation. So what you'll need is your sole bright and a paintbrush, and just paint it all the way on the bottom. Do this so that you don't dry out the sole bright, so it keeps it nice and fresh when you leave it out in the sun. It is get your your pair of shoes, and leave them out to the sun where it can absorb UV light. So half an hour has been passed, and now let's go check on the sneakers. Oh, what the fuck? Fucking hell! Came back my security footage. Watch this shit. Who the fuck is this cunt? What the fuck? What the some random guy just stole. Oh my god. That looks like that's the end of the video. Sadly, the J's were stolen. So come back next week for the next episode. I'm joking.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got bottles in my booties, so my homies think it's stank. I just like cocoa butter kisses.